Let's make this delicious Mexican taco chicken dish for weight loss. I will provide the calorie count and the side dish options after we make the chicken. Firstly, set your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 347 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, place 3 chicken breasts weighing 200 grams each onto an oven tray, and you can see here I didn't add any non-stick coating, just the chicken breasts. Then peel and cut 2 carrots and 3 bell peppers and spread them all around the chicken breast. Set that aside for a moment so we can prepare the beautiful Mexican flavored marinade. Place 3 tablespoons of melted butter into a bowl, then add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and whisk until fully combined. If you're new to my channel, welcome! If this video provides value for you, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so I can continue bringing you great recipes. We have some exciting recipes coming up, so be sure to hit the notification bell. Please do check the description box if you would like the written recipe. Then coat or baste the chicken and veggies with the marinade. Finally, place in the oven for 1 hour. Half an hour into the time, do check on the chicken and veggies as they may need to be turned over. After the total hour is up, your Mexican chicken and veggies should be ready. Remove from the oven and sprinkle some coriander leaves for extra yumminess. Give the veggies a stir so that the marinade on the baking tray gets onto those veggies. Then place into a serving dish for later. I just wanted to provide some optional side dishes to go with the Mexican taco chicken. The calorie count for one chicken and veg meal is 280 calories, and we have prepared enough for 3 meals. I have included the calorie count for several side options in the description box under the recipe, just because there are quite a few. They will be in addition to the 280 calories for the chicken and veg. Do add the side dishes according to your meal plan. If you're doing low carb, I would add the cauliflower rice and some salad, or the salsa with the sweet potato. If you're doing keto, I would add the avocado to increase the fat content. And if you just want to have a balanced meal, you can have it in a wrap with several of the side dishes. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this video and get to make this yummy chicken dish. Stay well and stay safe, guys. See ya!